Hey everybody, how's it going? Jason Seiler here. You may know me for my caricature work and my portrait work for magazines such as Time Magazine, Rolling Stone, The New Yorker, Mad Magazine. I've also had the pleasure of working on Tim Burton's Alice in Wonderland, working on characters such as the Tweedles, the Red Queen, and the Bandersnatch. And why does any of that matter? Well, if you love drawing and painting and illustration as much as I do, things like caricature, character design, portrait drawing and painting, then I've got a special surprise for y'all. I don't know about you, but I'm excited. You want to know what I'm excited about? I'm excited that I'm going to be going to Israel, for 3 days of workshops this May, the 21st through the 23rd, where I'm going to be teaching my personal techniques about portrait painting and drawing, caricatures, and character design. For me, the most important thing about character design is the foundation of caricature and how you can take that to the next level. I'm also going to have an open portfolio review. Sweet. Oh yeah, make sure you head on over to www.wonderarthouse.com. What are you waiting for? Reserve your spot today. See you soon, Tel Aviv. I'm coming to hang with you.